3D artists and industrial vehicle enthusiasts. Today we're unveiling an engineering masterpiece, the Mack B Tandem cement mixer, meticulously crafted to capture the essence of the giants that built our cities. With 396,000 optimized polygons, this model isn't just a visual representation. It's a functional tribute to the trucks that carry progress in their rotating drums. What makes this model special is its authenticity without sacrificing versatility. Complete mixing system with rotating drum and discharge mechanism. Precision recreated CamelBack suspension. PBR materials including tires, industrial plastics, and leather. Impeccable blender organization. Doors linked to empties for realistic animation. Independent wheels and rims for full control. Complete steering wheel rig for natural movement. Now available on CG Trader, Render Hub, and Blender Market. This model is perfect for American Truck Simulator / ETS2 modders, construction game developers, artists creating historical urban scenes, vintage industrial vehicle collectors. But more importantly, we want to hear your voice. What other classic construction vehicles would you like to see recreated? A 1960s dump truck? Maybe a vintage mobile crane? Your ideas could shape our next projects. If this model speaks to you, please like this video and share your thoughts in the comments. Every interaction helps us preserve these mechanical marvels. Now tell us, how would you use this Mack mixer? Will it star in a retro construction scene or become the centerpiece of your next simulator mod? Because these trucks aren't just machines, they're witnesses to human progress. And with this 3D model, their legacy continues through your creations.